How to set up recurring payments with Zelle Wells Fargo. Now, Zelle doesn't directly give us this option, but we can use Wells Fargo to set it up and make a workaround. Here's how we can do it using bill pay. First, we will log into the Wells Fargo online website or the mobile app and just log in with our credentials. Then you want to access bill pay. From your account summary page, click on bill pay. If you're using the mobile app, go to menu and then select pay bills. Then you add the payee. If the recipient is not already in your pay list, you will click on add payee. Enter the necessary details for the person or company you want to send payments to, for example, the name, address, account number. To set up recurring payments, you will select the payee for whom you want to schedule recurring payments. Click on make recurring payment or set up autopay depending on the options available. Then you will enter the payment amount, frequency, whether weekly, monthly, so on and so forth, and the duration, the start date and the end date if applicable. Then you will confirm the payment and save the recurring payment schedule. Review and confirm. Review the details of the recurring payment to ensure accuracy and just confirm the recurring payment setup. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.